Shalom Aleichem, my Assyrian dishes friends. I'm Julian and today I'll be making pickled cabbage salad with pomegranate. So let's start cooking. These are the ingredients for the pickled cabbage pomegranate salad. You will need some spring mix lettuce, 1 cucumber sliced, 2 tomatoes sliced, 1 Spanish onion, red onion sliced, 3 tablespoons of pomegranate molasses, and some extra virgin olive oil. You'll also need pickled cabbage, which I have a video recipe on how to make on our Assyrian Dishes YouTube channel. And this is how your pickled cabbage salad with pomegranate should look like. Enjoy it for any barbecue and enjoy. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. And don't forget to visit our website at AssyrianDishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking everyone! And if you're interested in any of our Assyrian Dishes kitchen products like our apron, tumbler, chopping board, oven mitts, tea towels, pastry brush and spatula, you can email us on assyriandishes@gmail.com or visit our website.